guys, I went to Miller's and I got this big dumpling. So excited to open it. And then I got a Specs. I'm so excited to try it, so let's try it. I do not want the blue, green, or purple. Crossing our fingers, it's the rare of this one. First, let's do the Specs. If I can open it, because it feels so nice. I've been wanting Specs forever, y'all. So, oh, I'm glad I got it. It sounds so good. Okay, now our dumpling. I'm so excited. I don't know how to open it. I better where? Okay, moment of truth. Did I get the rare? 3, 2, 1. I got pink. But it's so glittery. Oh, it's Orbeez. Oh, it feels so good. I knew it was pink, Mom.
Do you have that one already?
Yeah.
That exact one?
No. Oh, it feels so better than my other one. It's sticky. Okay, guys, so that was my little haul from Miller's, and I hope you guys liked it. Bye! Guys, I meant to say purple, green, or pink, and I wanted the blue. So, yeah, I love you.